Every single day, my AI agency gets anywhere from 5 to 10 meetings booked from businesses ready to pay me serious amounts of money for my AI solutions. So ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm breaking down 5 high-in-demand AI business ideas you can start in 2025. And each and every single one of them is proven, tested, and businesses are paying for these solutions as we are speaking right now. Now, everyone knows AI is the biggest opportunity of this year.
A lot of the code in our apps is actually going to be built by AI engineers instead of people engineers.
Modern AI is a horizontal enabling layer. It can be used to improve everything.
If you don't know AI, you are going to fail. Period. End of story.
Because most people still don't know how to use AI tools for their own business. And this is exactly where you come in as the problem solver. This also means you're facing less competition and enjoying a lower startup cost. Now, if you get in early and take full advantage of this opportunity, you can build what people call generational wealth, the kind of business that transforms your life and your family's future forever. But from what I've seen, most people are still stuck at step 1, which is choosing the right AI solution to sell. Not because they're lazy or lack ambition, it's because they simply have no idea what to actually sell inside of their AI agency. Now, thanks to my AI agency, Alorose AI, which brings in a steady flow of inbound and outbound leads, we have direct insight into what AI solutions businesses are actually looking for. And in this video, I'm going to share the real opportunities that these businesses are ready to pay for right now. So I want you to consider this your shortcut to what's actually working. If you are new here, my name is Saed Mouty. I run an AI development and automation agency called Alorose AI. And I also run the AI Accelerator, which is linked down below. It basically helps you start your AI agency from choosing your niche until you get clients to pay you. And you can connect with serious AI agency owners who are on the same path that you're walking. I can't wait to see you inside of the AI Accelerator program. So I live in Dubai, where I help businesses locally while still working with international clients at the same time. It's an incredible place for networking. I've met out of major players in the AI space here. So the business ideas or solutions or services, whatever you want to call them, I've either sold myself or got inspired by other successful AI agency owners who I've personally met in real life. Now I recommend watching the video all the way through so you can know each and every single business idea and see which one works best for you, because I've saved one bonus idea at the end that I truly believe is just going to blow up and barely anyone is talking about it. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first AI business idea is an AI cold outreach system. If you've been in the AI space for even a week, you've probably heard someone mention automating cold outreach. So let's just say you're running an agency or a B2B offer and you are sending cold outbound emails and even LinkedIn or Instagram messages manually, or even maybe you've hired a virtual assistant to do that for you. That entire old process of outreach is gone. You can now build a fully automated cold outreach system using a tool called Apollo to pull high quality leads. And then I want you to pass those leads into a tool called Clay, which can enrich them with key details. Things like company size, how much revenue they have generated this year, recent news or social activities the company had. From there, I want you to take all of that information and data to ChatGPT 4, which will take care of the messaging, which is the most important part. You must tell ChatGPT to write a message that's sharp, unique, and focused on getting a reply, not something people see every day and just ignore. I don't want you to tell ChatGPT to send something generic like, "Hey John, I saw that you're in the medical field." That kind of message that gets you ignored. I'm talking about real relevance, like mentioning a podcast they were on last week or a product they just launched. Maybe they completed a huge milestone in their life, which you can congratulate them on. You must focus on making the message as personal as possible. On top of that, you can set up automatic follow-ups, replies, booking links using a tool called make.com. Now we will be mentioning make.com a lot in this video because it basically becomes the brain of the AI system. It just keeps everything running without you having to lift a finger. Now once everything is set up, it will work like a full sales team which runs 24/7 in the background, never sleeping, never taking breaks, and never misses a follow-up. Now at my own agency, we sell the system for $5,000 upfront, plus a commission every time it helps a client land a deal. We just take a small percentage of that deal. And once you get results for one single client of yours, it becomes very easy for you to clone the system and resell it for other businesses. I mean, most people start getting referrals from that one win. From my experience, pretty soon, every single agency will either be using this system or offer it as a service for other businesses. If you're not already selling it, this is one of the best and fastest ways to start selling high-ticket AI offers right now. Moving on to the second AI business idea, which is AI voice agents for inbound and outbound calls. These are basically voice assistants that sound exactly like real people. They can answer phone calls, make sales calls, book appointments, and can even handle client follow-ups.
Hello, thank you for calling Retail Dental Office. How can I help you today?
I would like to make an annual teeth check-in appointment.
Great. Have you been to our dental office before?
Yes, my name is Rose.
Thank you, Rose. What time would you prefer for your appointment? We have availability on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
I would like to make an appointment 8 a.m. next Monday.
Got it, Rose?
Actually, sorry, can I switch to Tuesday 9 a.m.? Is that okay?
Of course, Rose. Tuesday at 9 a.m. works for us. Your appointment is now scheduled for that time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, in order to make this idea come to life, we'd want to use a tool like 11 Labs to create a human-sounding voice for inbound calls. Now, to simplify things, if you want to only sell inbound calls, for example, your client is a dental clinic and people call them to book appointments, the AI system will handle all of the questions people have and it will automatically book them for an appointment with the doctor. The AI system automatically will check when are the available times of the doctor and the patient that's coming in, and based on both of them, it will book the perfect time for them to see each other. Now, if you're selling outbound automations, you'd use a tool like Vapi.ai. Now, let me give you another example, but for outbound automations. Let's say that your client is a real estate agent or a real estate company, and they have a database of leads they want to call. The AI system will automatically cold call every single person on that lead list, and it will nurture them and try to close them for a meeting with the real estate agent or company. So you are basically saving them a ton of time and making them a lot of money. Now, if you're planning on selling this automation, you can charge them money upfront or take a commission of every single sale they do using your system. You can even charge them for both at the same time. Moving on, you want to connect these AI tools into a tool called Twilio to make the AI system call people and receive calls from them at the same time. What Twilio basically does, it gives your AI system an actual real phone number for it to use. Now, there are two things which you want to control, which is the script and the logic of the AI system. So I want you to command the AI system on when to pass the phone to a real person. Going back to the real estate example, let's say that the AI system called someone and the prospect agreed to buy the property. The AI system will tell the prospect that he's going to transfer him into the salesperson, which is your client, the real estate agent, and the real estate agent will talk to them and close the deal with them. Now, of course, if you want to go further, you can use make.com to connect it to a CRM, maybe Google Sheets or calendars. Of course, it depends on your client. Now, at my agency, Alorose AI, we recently built one of these systems for a private healthcare group. It costed them $10,000 upfront, plus $500 a month for a management fee. The AI system handled patient calls, answered common questions, and even sent automatic follow-up text. Now, the same exact system that I'm selling will basically work for any type of business that needs to book appointments. And the reason why every single business loves this service, it runs 24/7, it says what it's supposed to, it never forgets to follow up, it never gets tired, and it will never make the simple mistakes humans can do, like being frustrated from an angry customer or the amount of calls they just receive in a day. The AI agent, on the other hand, is always polite and calm, which can help businesses book more appointments, close more leads, and save huge amounts of money without needing to hire new staff. If you choose to offer this as your service, it's an easy high-ticket sale with a monthly recurring income. Now, moving on to the third AI business idea, which is an AI ad creative agency. Let's just be real, one of the biggest challenges for businesses running ads on social media is the consistent pressure to come up with new ad creatives. When it comes to photo ad creatives, in order to make them, they are dealing with shipping products to photographers, waiting for edits of the product, and hoping the final result matches the brand style. Now, for video content ad creatives, it's a very long process. Scripting, filming, editing, and going through rounds of revisions. And for UGC ad creatives, they're stuck chasing influencers, negotiating rates, managing timelines. Everything I've just mentioned is slow, expensive, and kills momentum. That's exactly where your AI ad creative agency comes in. You're not just producing content, you're delivering high-performing, ready-to-run creatives, which are faster, cheaper, and more reliable than any traditional content team out there. Let's take photo ads, for example. With tools like Midjourney or AdCreative.ai, you can create stunning visuals in just minutes. Everything from clean product shots to lifestyle mockups and bold conversion-focused banners. I want you to imagine a skincare brand running a flash sale, and you generate 5 high-quality ad creatives with complete headlines and CTAs, and your offer is to deliver them in 24 hours. No shipping, no waiting, no back and forth, just instant execution. Then there's video ads. You can use tools like Pika Labs or a tool called Runway, and then take those videos you generated and edit them in CapCut or any editing software you prefer. You can transform simple product photos and a few brand notes into dynamic platform-ready ads for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube. Let's say, for example, a fitness brand wants to drop a new pre-workout. You write 3 strong ad angles, one focused on how it doesn't cause energy crashes, another on why top athletes are switching to this brand, and a third speaking directly to people who've tried everything else. Using Runway, you plug in fast-paced B-rolls, then use CapCut to add bold text overlays, maybe product highlights, and a clear call to action at the end. Like, for example, order now or try it risk-free. By the end of the day, you've delivered a full set of testable video ads. No cameras, no big fancy editors, and no delay. And when it comes to UGC style content, you take it a step further. Using platforms like HeyGen or Cynthia, you'll generate lifelike talking head videos that feel personal and real. And I wanted to plug in ultra-realistic voiceovers from 11 Labs. And now you've got creator-style content that feels authentic without involving a real person. Picture a SaaS company needing someone to explain their app. With a realistic avatar walking through the features, there will be no filming, no actors, no stress. Now, of course, on the back end, everything will run on autopilot. With make.com, you've got a fully automated system that just handles it all. Brief collection, script generation, approvals and revisions, and final delivery. It's more than just a service. It's an engine built to save time and reduce cost at the same time. You don't have to actually limit yourself to working with businesses and brands directly. You can white label your service and partner with a social media marketing agency. While they handle the ad spend and client relationships, you're the one behind the curtain producing the content that drives the performance, quietly powering their campaigns. No spotlight needed, just money in your pockets and results. Now moving on to the fourth AI business idea, which is video avatars for coaches. Alright, so this might sound very niche, but trust me, it's a game changer. Coaches, consultants, and personal brands, they all know that they should be posting content as much as possible, or even on a daily basis. But let's face it, most of them can't even keep up. Needs time, energy, video setup, scripting, editing, and life just gets in the way. And they can't create content consistently, which means they are absolutely losing huge amounts of money. So what do you exactly do as an AI agency owner? You just clone them. With tools like DID or HeyGen, you take a short video of your client and then clone their face and voice and start pumping daily content. You'll put as much information as possible into ChatGPT and let ChatGPT create the scripts for them. And then I want you to take the script ChatGPT has generated and put it into Descript or a tool called Runway and schedule everything out automatically. I've seen successful AI agency owners charge anywhere from $2.5K to $10,000. You can also charge depending on how many deals they close using your system. You can charge more or less depending on how frequently it's delivered. And the best part, once it's up and running, it's almost passive income because you're simply feeding scripts to a system and hitting publish. And then you can pair it with make.com to automate the script flow, reviews, approvals, and publishing. You can also use CapCut for editing. And now you've got an AI-powered content team in the background without you having to film a single video. Now bear in mind, this is going to be really huge in the info product, coaching, and personal brand space. Plus, it's ridiculously easy to set up. Now moving on to the fifth and final AI business idea, which is an AI DM setter for coaches and agencies. This one is for all the closers or the ones who hate closing deals. Coaches and agency owners are drowning in DMs right now. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, leads are just coming in from every single direction, but there's no one qualifying or converting them properly. So here's your solution that you're going to sell. Build an AI DM setter using ChatGPT 4 and ManyChat to qualify leads, book calls, and answer any objection, and even follow up with them automatically if they ghost you. I met a very successful AI agency owner who sold this whole system to a fitness influencer who sells workout programs on Instagram for $18,000. And that's just the start. It's a full sales rep in your DMs. It's built with the right logic, trained on your offer, and integrated with your CRM or calendar using, of course, make.com. Now, most people build these bots just wrong, either trying too hard to be human or they sound very robotic. But when done right with a solid conversational flow and proper objection handling, it's guaranteed to outperform actual humans. Clients love it because it, of course, works 24/7, even while they're asleep. It qualifies leads, answers questions, and of course, it books calls on autopilot. No mood swings, no bad days, just consistent performance pushing forward into a sale. Now, guys, of course, I did not forget the bonus idea at the end. But before we jump into the bonus idea, I know you're watching this and thinking, I want to build systems like these and sell them to businesses and make money off them. And I know that you want to make anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 a month. Now, the AI Accelerator, which is linked down below, is exactly where you learn how. I break down how to build each and every single one of the AI businesses I shared in this video, from the tools to the automations to exact workflows, how to find clients, how to reach out to businesses, what to say inside of the meetings, and how to make as much money as possible from them. Join and learn and make as much money as possible from AI before it gets saturated like dropshipping or SMMA and all of these other business models. This is your chance and opportunity, so take it before it's too late. You'll also join a private community of serious AI agency owners who are taking real action. Again, don't wait for the opportunity to pass by and join before it's too late. It's linked down below. Now, for the bonus idea, it's AI personas for influencers, and there's barely anyone talking about it, and it's going to blow up soon. Now, imagine you're a content creator, and instead of responding to thousands of comments or private DMs on Instagram or questions from your viewers and fans, now you're going to build a ChatGPT version of yourself. You take all your YouTube videos, course material, tweets, posts, information about yourself, and feed them into a knowledge base. And then you train ChatGPT 4 to speak in your tone and just handle questions like you would. It's like having a digital clone, but here's the twist. You can embed affiliate links to your offers, like merchandise or whatever products that you sell. Now, of course, depending on your content, fans might ask different types of questions. Let's say, for example, you create videos on how to grow on TikTok. So a fan might ask you, well, how do I grow on TikTok? Or what camera should I use to film TikTok videos? Or what are the best trending hashtags? And ChatGPT will answer the questions for you. Plus, it adds an affiliate link for products or services that you sell. So it's basically like talking to them in a very personal manner. It's like texting your favorite YouTuber or influencer or celebrity. I believe this is going to be the new monetization method for creators. And the best part, AI agencies can build and manage these GPTs for their clients, offering revenue share models and adding custom features. I've packed a lot in this video to give you a clear starting point for building your own AI-driven offers this year. These are things businesses are already asking for, things we've seen work firsthand in my agency. Now, people always ask me, Said, why are you sharing this stuff publicly? Aren't you just creating more competition for yourself? Well, the truth is the demand for AI solutions is just so massive. And of course, it's not about gatekeeping. It's about growing the space together, building better tools and automations and solutions for businesses. And of course, connecting with more people who are pushing AI to its limits. I want you to leave a comment down below on which idea you're going to choose. And this is it for today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one.